Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a website to your page using the Facebook app on your PC, especially with the new update that's just been rolled out. Whether you want to promote your business site or share your blog, adding a website link to your Facebook page is a great way to make it easily accessible to your visitors. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages the page you want to update. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From that menu, find and click on your page. This will take you directly to your Facebook page's main view. Now, it's time to add your website link. Look for the About section on your page. This is where all the key information about your page lives. Click on it to open the details. Within the About section, scroll down or look for the Contact and Basic Info tab. This is where Facebook allows you to add your contact information, like phone numbers, email addresses, and of course, your website. Once you're in the Contact and Basic Info area, you'll see an option that says Add Website. Click on that. A text box will appear where you can enter your website URL. Take your time to make sure it's typed correctly because this is the link your visitors will use to reach your site. After entering your website address, don't forget to click Save. This step is crucial to make sure the link is added and visible on your page. And that's it. Your website is now live on your Facebook page, making it easy for anyone who visits to find you online. If ever you need to update or change the website, just follow these same steps again. Thanks for watching.